Hello, dear Botanicas learners. How are you, everybody? I hope everybody is fine. So, welcome back to our Botanicas class, botany class. In this class, in this video module, we are going to discuss a small topic that is mutagens. So, what are the mutagens and what are the types and what are the examples for those different types we are going to discuss in this video module. Then I hope you are very familiar with mutation. What is meant by mutation? The sudden, undesirable, or unwanted changes or disturbance or an interruption occurs or takes place in the arrangement or the sequence of the genes or the genetic code or the bonding, whatever it may be, that is known as mutation. So, this is the interruption or the disturbance, whether it may be plant or maybe animal or maybe an insect or a bird. So, whatever it may be, the organism, if it gets interruption in its genes level, then that is called mutation. So, the mutation leads the improper formation of or improper birth of new individual or F1 generation or the young generation. Best example, according to animals, we could be seen different types of mutants, in the sense the new organisms, they may have 5 legs or 3 legs or 6 legs or near the neck leg formation, or else improper formation of what it is called mammary glands, etc., etc., etc. And according to plants, you may have been seen 3 or 2 fruits joined or attached together, different types of idols or different types of gods and goddess face appearance, or else any unwanted structure or the shape or the curling or bending, whatever it may be. So, rather than the normal fruit or flower or structure, if new one is formed or created or produced by the particular plant or an animal, that is considered as mutant. That process is called mutation scientifically. And for that process, the substances or the factors whichever acts, those are known as mutagens. So these mutagens nothing but a type of vector or the causative substances, factors, simply we can call those as agents. Mutagens nothing but an agents which are responsible for mutations in the organisms, plants, birds, insects, animals, humans, whatever it may be. So here these agents are the mutagens, basically 2 types: chemical agents or chemical mutagens, physical agents or physical mutagens. So first one we shall go through chemical agents or chemical mutagens. So what are these chemical mutagens? In the sense, these are the special type of molecules which induce or which cause the mutation. Those are comes under chemical mutagens. These chemical mutagens again broadly categorized or classified under acrylic dyes, alkylating mutagens, and other mutagens and base analogues. So these are the 4 categories: alkylating, acrylic dyes, others, base analogues. So one by one we shall go through. So others, if we shall take, sodium azides and nitrous acid. So this is sodium azide and nitrous acid, etc. These both comes under others type of agents or mutagens. Then next we shall go through acrylic dyes. So under this acrylic dyes, proflavine, it is one of the acrylic dye, comes under mutagen, and acrylic orange and acrylic yellow, these are also comes under mutagens. You are familiar with that methyl orange, methyl red, saffron, those all are the dyes used for experimental purpose. But here these acrylic orange and acrylic yellow and proflavin are also dyes, but these dyes are the agents or mutagens highly dangerous and critical to the organism's life, especially upcoming new generation. The next one, base analogues. So under these base analogues, in the sense these are the basic in nature. 5 bromo uracil and 5 bromo chlorouracil. So there are two main types of mutagens under base analogues. One is 5 bromouracil and another one is 5 chlorouracil. These two comes under base analogues. And final one, alkylating agents or alkylating mutagens. So there are three hazardous alkylating agents. Those are EMS, MMS, EA, ethyl methanosulfates, methyl methanosulfates, ethyl amides. Once again, EMS represents the ethyl methanosulfates, MMS represents the methyl methanosulfates, then EA represents the ethyl amide. So these three hazardous agents or mutagens comes under alkylating category. So these all are under chemical mutagens. Then coming to last one, physical mutagens. Under the physical mutagens, again ionizing radiation mutagens, non-ionizing radiation mutagens. Are you clear? Under the chemical mutagens, there are 4 categories. Coming to under the physical mutagens, there are 2 main types of categories. One is ionizing radiation mutagens, second one non-ionizing radiation mutagens. Non-ionizing radiation mutagens, the best example, ultraviolet rays, UV rays. Those UV rays comes under non-ionizing radiation mutagens. Then these ionizing radiation mutagens broadly categorized under 2 subtypes. One is particulate ionizing radiation mutagens, non-particulate ionizing radiation mutagens. So particulate, non-particulate. So particulate in the sense alpha rays, beta rays and fast neutrons. So these 3 types of mutagens comes under physical ionizing radiation particulate mutagens. Are you clear? These 3 comes under physical ionizing radiation particulate mutagens, and here physical ionizing radiation non-particulate mutagens, 2 types. I mean 2 examples, X-rays, gamma rays. So X-rays, gamma rays comes under non-particulate, alpha, beta and fast neutrons comes under particulate. This particulate and non-particulate comes under physical ionizing radiation mutagens, and UV rays or UV radiation comes under non-ionizing radiation physical mutagens. So dear Botanicas learners, this is the information regarding mutagens, chemical, these are the chemical types, physical, these are the physical category or types. So mutation nothing but a disturbance or an interruption in the genes arrangement or sequence or whatever it may be. So in one more our Botanicas videos we will meet with one more beautiful topic. Till then, good luck.